Hi guys, I'm Kate from the Cayuga Nature Center and today is National Black Bear Day. Join us for a couple bear basics. Alright, so I'm going to start off these bear basics with the biggest misconception about bears, that they hibernate during winter. They actually don't hibernate. Hibernation is when the body cools way down and the body doesn't eat or sleep or pee or poop. It just stays calm all winter long. Bears actually go through what's called torpor. Torpor is when a bear slows its body temperature, lowers its body temperature, slows its heart rate, but it'll still wake up and maybe venture outside and try and forage for some food or stretch. So it's not a true hibernation, it's called torpor. So bears, when it's not wintertime and they're not going through torpor, they are omnivorous, which means that they eat both plants and animals. But bears actually prefer their fruits and vegetables to meat. So if we look at a bear's skull, this is the lower jawbone of a bear. And here we can see sharp teeth. That's good for tearing the meat. And then we have lots of flat teeth. That's good for grinding up plants. Now, one thing with skulls that's an identifying factor of what they eat is this space in between our sharp teeth and our molars. So this flat spot other animals have as well, like deer. This indicates to us and lets us know that this animal will actually put a branch in between this spot and then rip off all of the leaves. That's a good indication of what a black bear would eat. The other thing about a black bear skull that gives us an indication or lets us know something about the bear is called the nasal mucosa. So on the inside of this nostril, this would be where the bear's nose is, right here. And you can see all of these folds and swirls on the inside of the nose. That's the nasal mucosa. So the more folds and swirls that there are, the better smeller that they are. So bears have a really good sense of smell. The last thing I wanted to show you about the bear skull is where the eyes are. We as humans are predators, so our eyes are in the front. Deer and rabbits have eyes on the sides of their head, which indicate they're usually prey because they need to look out all over the place for any predators that might get them. So here we can see that the bear's eyes would be right here. They're forward facing, and here on one of our taxidermy bears, you can see that the eyes are forward facing. Bears are incredible climbers. They have these huge claws that are nice and curled, and they really, really are amazing climbers. They're good swimmers too. Another misconception about black bears is that they're aggressive. They're really not. They're pretty big, scaredy cats. The males can go anywhere from 150 to 400 pounds, so that's a pretty big bear. But usually, if you let a bear know that you're around and make lots of noise if you're out camping, they're going to stay away. So black bears are really good for a healthy ecosystem, and we should celebrate them today on National Black Bear Day. Thanks for joining us.